Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I'll show you how to use reverse wireless charging on the OPPO Find X9 Pro. First of all, you need to enable it in settings. So go to settings by scrolling down from the top right corner and pressing the little gear button in the middle. In settings, scroll down to the battery. Now scroll down and look for charging settings. In here you can see the reverse wireless charging option. Go there and enable it. Now let's see how it works. Turn off your screen, place your phone on your screen and place the device you want to charge on the back. Now it should be charging. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment and goodbye.